and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been having a great week. Say hi to the Joey. Oh, he's so cute. So today's video is going to be all about how to style a difficult item, or like an item that you can't figure out how to style, and like how to shop for new items to go with that difficult item, and ways that you can like look up ways to style said item. So today's item is going to be this, sorry Joey, is going to be this camouflage jacket. I know it's not really a difficult item to style because I mean you can easily pair this with white t-shirt and jeans, but I'm going to be just using it for today's demonstration. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you guys find some value in it. If you do, make sure you hit that like button because that helps me out and helps me reach more people. Also, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That also helps me out, and you get notified when I post new videos, which I post new videos every Monday, 4 o'clock Central Time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. All right, so as you can see here, I'm on Pinterest, and what I did was I just searched camo jacket outfits, and as you can see, a ton of super cute results came up, giving me tons of inspiration ideas, and I actually really like this one with the black mini, a gray top, and just the camo jacket. Another option that you can do is to actually search the brand and the actual product, because 9 times out of 10 you'll actually see outfits using the actual item that you want to style. That didn't happen for me this time, but it usually does. Another option, and I'm going to do this on my phone because this is an app, it's called the LikeToKnowIt app, and it's an app that influencers use for affiliate marketing. So marketing, I don't know why I said marketing, but what you can do is you can go in and use the search feature, and you can search for like a particular item. And so I just put in camo jacket, and as you can see, all these results popped up, giving me even more outfit inspiration. But something else that I really like about the LikeToKnowIt app is if I'm looking for a particular type of item that I want to buy, say like a black dress, I can also type that in the search, and then it'll come up with all these black dress options from different bloggers and influencers. And if I click on the photo, it actually shows me a product link for where I can buy that item, which is amazing. So I just really think this is a great resource for 1, outfit inspiration, and 2, for finding items that you want to buy. Alright y'all, so I'm sorry if the video quality isn't as good here, but I'm going to be filming on my phone because I don't have a vlog camera. But I am heading to the to go shopping today, and I want to show you guys my trick for how to take something that you are trying to like put together with another outfit to go shopping without having to like wear it, because you obviously don't have anything to wear it with or you wouldn't be going shopping. So this is my little hack. So I always keep sorry, my bag's in the way. So I always keep old shopping bags, at least like 1 or 2, so that I can do this. And I just put the item in the shopping bag, and then I just carry the shopping bag around with me so I can try on the item with like the stuff that I'm looking at. So yeah, I'm heading to go shopping, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Hopefully my first vlogging adventure goes good. All right, so I've made it to the dressing room, and I'm going to pull my jacket from my bag. I've got several items here that I'm going to try it on with. Some of these items of course I'm not, because you know, when I go shopping. So here's one of the options that I found. It's just this simple black dress. It's kind of casual, because I know I could wear this jacket with like a white t-shirt and jeans, but that's just kind of boring. So I'm looking at some other options, and I saw this kind of on Pinterest, so that's why I'm trying it. Yeah, I think this looks good. Another little option I put together, this is just a black bodysuit, and then this is actually a skirt that I brought from home that I actually had in the same bag, and then paired with this because I saw on Pinterest this jacket paired with like a black denim mini, so I thought I would try it with the one I already had. And then just this black bodysuit. I think this is actually pretty cute. All right, so here's another option. I'm not sure if I really like it as much. I tried to like soften the look a little bit with this pink lace camisole, and I mean, it's okay. It's just not really working for me. I really like this with like the graphic tee instead, just because I think it just adds a little bit extra and looks like I put in more work. Even though like if I wear the jacket like
normal, you don't really see the graphic tee. But if I were to like tie it around my waist, you can see it better. So yeah, I like the graphic tee. Okay, so this is just another black dress, but I wanted to try it with something that was a little bit more form-fitting and tighter to see if I liked it better. But I actually think I like the looser fitting dress with this jacket better.
Anyway, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found some value in it. If you loved it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. I do post every Monday at 4 o'clock Central Time. I might upload some other ones throughout the week if I have some extra videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.